What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As I'm editing this video I realized I forgot to record an intro, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover one here. I went out to that lake that I've been crushing largies on this year and decided to give the A-rig a toss in there. Unfortunately it was a super windy day and I've never found much success on that lake when it's been windy, but we did manage to catch a nice sized bass on the A-rig. We also got broken off by a huge one on a popper. But I'm not going to waste any more of you guys' time, so without any further ado, enjoy the video.
Recording, finally. My GoPro is not great sometimes. But this is what we're throwing. The A-rig, or as some like to call it, the cheater's rig, umbrella rig, whatever you fancy. But it's literally just a school of bait fish. I don't know, it's pretty fun. I'm hoping it'll work. It's worked before, I just don't know how well it does in like grassy lakes like this, so I guess we'll find out. This rod, I haven't shown you guys this rod yet, but it's Mojo Bass, so St. Croix Mojo Bass. It's the swim bait A-rig rod, so you know, pretty self-explanatory why I picked it for this, but it's a 710 heavy fast. It's nice, I like it. I haven't used it for anything else yet, but I want to try some swim bait outs on it too. I just haven't gotten around to picking those up yet. Oh! That's scaring me. Bro, get out of the way, wasp. I just had a monstrous pike chase me with this. Okay. That's a good sign. Oh, that was a little bit wavier than I thought it was going to be. My goodness. There we go. Oh, nice. That's not a bad fish. Oh. 7'10" is a long rod to control when you're trying to net the fish 3 feet away from you. Whew. All right. Not gonna lock apparently, but 4.5. For those of you guys that don't know what this is a A-rig or an Alabama rig or an umbrella rig or an illegal rig if you want to call it that, because in some bass tournaments it's illegal. But it's basically just replicates a school of bait fish, so you can see why it would be good, especially in the fall. And I believe in Ontario, I actually don't know if there's a rule for how many hooks you can have per bait in Ontario, but in a lot of places it's 3, and so I've got the bottom 3 there on jig heads and the top 2 are just on screw locks. And yeah, that's what I caught that fish on. He bit the bottom middle one, which is the one that they normally bite, but sometimes they'll bite the side bottom ones. It's very, very rare, but sometimes they will bite the top ones. I've had it where I've been reeling it in, and then I got hit and I set the hook, nothing. I get it back and one of the top ones is gone. I'm like, that is so weird. But it doesn't happen often. But as you saw, The A-rig is great and it catches big fish. I thought it was raining there for a second. It was just my lure splashing though. Like the healthiest reeds in the lake right here. Shoot. Oh, I just broke off, dude. Oh man. That was a big fish. Oh man. That was a big fish. No way does he hit again. Well, there's the bait. Ah, that didn't even come undone. My braid just broke. You see that? It just broke. That sucks. Oh. All right, I guess it's time to get off the water then. Okay, so that fishing day ended pretty suddenly. I was there, I was retying because a huge fish broke me off, and then just boom, thunder. And now it's pouring rain outside, so I'm on my way home. Not really a good day, but I mean we caught a nice bass, so can't really complain too much. But you know, I got to show off the A-rig a little bit. I'll definitely be using it more because it's fall and it's the time for that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I know this is a short video. Hit the like button, comment on this video for whatever reason, say anything you want, I don't care. And subscribe. I already said, I said like, comment. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, because more videos are going to be coming very soon. Hopefully try for more muskie this year before the end of the open water. Definitely bass. I don't know what else. I might go for walleye a little bit towards the end of October, but probably not. I'm not really a big walleye guy in open water. Ice fishing definitely, but open water not as much. But yeah, you know, whatever. But yeah, that's it for me today, guys. So I will see you in the next one.